Hello there crafties! Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Nisa and I like to do sewing tutorial vlogs. Today's episode is simply a continuation of my previous thrift flip vlog where I made a baggy shorts with one side pocket and front zipper out from an old polo. Since I was left with enough fabric to make another piece, so I decided to make a collared crop top to match the shorts. This is very easy to do, guys. For those beginners out there who are looking for projects to begin with, you might want to try this. So, let's begin. I used this collared crop top I have as a template. I carefully matched only its half part seams and points to the old polo. I reduced the measurement of the waist part since it's too loose for me. Then cut 1/2 inch away from the edge for stitch allowance. I then matched the left front bodies to the right front bodies. Then cut along it up to the highest part of the front shoulder. I did the same for the back part. I find this technique more effective to cut the left and right parts more symmetrically. To finish the armhole with the remaining scrap of fabric I have, I cut strips with 2 inches in width on bias. I cut more to make approximately 42 inches in length. To find my bust point, I marked 9 inches down from the highest point of my shoulder. Then, 3.5 inches, which is half of my nipple to nipple measurement. From my bust point, I traced down. From there, marked 1/2 inch to the left then right. Then connected the previous markings to the bust point. I then folded it following the vertical line, then sewn it up to the dark tip. I then placed the front pocket I previously salvaged from the old polo. I folded about 1/3 inch along the side and bottom edges while pinning them in place. I stitch it as close to the pocket edge in straight line. Like a puzzle, I simply connected the strips by matching the angles of each tips to be able to achieve my desired length. I then placed the bias tape along the edges of the armhole right sides together. Then sewn 1/2 inch away from the edge. I then folded the edge of the bias tape twice, pinned to hold. Then top stitched along the seam I made earlier. I then attached the front and back bodies together by pinning side edges, then sewn. I locked the bottom edge of the bodies through zigzag stitch, then folded along the edge once. Then stitched straight.
Thank you.